All right, guys, 2008 BMW 328i hardtop convertible. It's got over 200,000 miles, so it's been a good car. Anyways, so these BMWs come factory true dual right there. 2 cats up there. Then they true dual and 2 more cats right there. Then it goes into a dual in single out resonator right there. And then what he wanted was a Magnaflow Magnapack instead of the muffler. So we cut the muffler off, made custom hangers, as you guys can see right there, and installed a Magnaflow Magnapack, part number 10416. There will be a link in the description for it, guys. And then a dual resonated tip out the back. We made an angled pipe and a dual resonated tip just to clean it up and make it look clean right there, as you guys can see. There's the stock factory muffler that was on it, dual outlet, single inlet. That's why you always have to replace the tip on these, because they're built into the muffler, 2 separate ones. You can do a Y pipe and stuff, but it's just too much work. Not really cost effective. You just get a tip. It's a lot easier, a lot better. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you guys hear it, and make sure you guys stay till the end so you can hear the drive off. Like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Barely anything. What do you think? Okay? Okay. Cool. And that's the Magnaflow Magnapack. So imagine if you put the big bump you're talking about, there would be no sound at all. Yeah. It'd be probably quieter than stock. I want it quiet. Yeah, that tip looks good on it too. Good looking BMW, man. I can't believe it's got that much miles on it. That's awesome. And it's stick shift too. Alright, let you guys hear it on the inside. BMW 328i Magnaflow Magnapack. Got lowered too, it looks good. Got a really nice stance to it. That's clean.